everyone, welcome back to Science is Easy. Today we are doing a really fun experiment based on a fascinating phenomenon in physical chemistry called the Leidenfrost effect. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you are the first one to know about any new experiment or science concept that I put out. Be sure to do this experiment with adult supervision if you're under 18 years of age. The apparatus is super simple. You only need a saucepan, a stove or heating plate, and a few drops of water. Heat your saucepan without putting anything in it for 2 to 3 minutes on a steady flame. Then take a few drops of water and see what happens. Instead of vaporizing, the water instantly breaks down into little balls or beads and appears to be just floating. This is the Leidenfrost effect. The Leidenfrost effect is a phenomenon which occurs when a liquid touches a surface that is much hotter than its boiling point. The bottom of the droplet instantly vaporizes because of the intense heat and creates a cushion of vapor below the rest of the droplet. This prevents the rest of the droplet from vaporizing for some time and reduces the friction considerably. Think of it like a hovercraft or an air hockey puck. They appear to be floating because of the body of air between them, and that is exactly what is happening. A little bit of force was put by me on the moving handle, and this is what I observed after a few seconds. The water was revolving around the center of the pan without any force on it and kept doing that for some time. This is because the friction is nearly zero, and as per Newton's first law of motion, any object tends to stay at rest or in motion unless external forces act upon it. Since friction is not absolutely zero, the water does lose energy and eventually stops. When I stopped heating the pan, the temperature dropped below the Leidenfrost point of 193 degrees Celsius, and just the way it had appeared, this floating mass of water disappeared into little bead-like structures until it vaporized completely. Science makes a difference, and if you are curious to learn more, make sure to subscribe to Science is Easy.